Simple present passive exercises. 1. Mixed transformations. Rewrite the following sentences into the opposite voice, active to passive or passive to active. They send invitations for the party every year. The letters are delivered by the postman at 9 a.m. The police arrest criminals when they commit a crime. The emails are read by the manager every afternoon. The children plant trees during the school event. 2. Correct the errors. Passive voice. Some sentences below contain errors in the passive voice. Identify and correct them. 1. The homework is checked by the teacher every day. 2. The windows is cleaned every weekend. 3. The new policies are announced during the meeting. 4. Cakes are baked in this kitchen by the chef. 5. Is the room decorate for the event? 3. Rewrite the active voice paragraph in passive voice. Active voice. Farmers grow vegetables and fruits in large fields. They water the crops daily and add fertilizers when necessary. Distributors collect the harvested produce and send it to markets. Customers buy fresh fruits and vegetables from these markets. 4. Fill in the blanks with the passive form. Complete the paragraph using the correct simple present passive form of the verbs in brackets. Every year, millions of books print by publishers around the world. These books distribute to bookstores and online platforms. Popular titles read by thousands of readers. In libraries, books organize on shelves based on their genres. New editions release regularly to meet reader demand. 5. Transform specific sentences. Change the following specific sentences from active to passive and passive to active. Active to passive. 1. Engineers design bridges to withstand heavy loads. 2. People recycle plastic bottles to reduce waste. 3. The company holds training sessions for employees every month. Passive to active. 4. The classrooms are cleaned by the janitors every evening. 5. Homework is submitted by the students on time. 6. The meals are prepared by professional chefs in this restaurant. 6. Topic: History. Fill in the blanks. Complete the sentences using the correct passive form of the verb in brackets. 1. Historical monuments preserve, to protect cultural heritage. 2. Ancient artifacts display, in museums for public viewing. 3. Important events record, by historians for future generations. 4. The pyramids of Egypt visit, by millions of tourists every year. 5. Many historical documents translate, into multiple languages. Topic: Science. Simple present passive. 7. Rewrite the paragraph in passive voice. Active voice. Scientists conduct experiments to test hypotheses in laboratories. They analyze the results carefully and publish their findings in scientific journals. Researchers use advanced equipment to collect data. Governments fund many research projects to support innovation. Topic: Daily routines. Mixed transformations. 8. Active to passive. 1. People brush their teeth every morning. 2. Someone waters the plants every evening. 3. They deliver newspapers to homes at sunrise. Passive to active. 4. The floors are mopped every afternoon by the cleaner. 5. The trash is collected by the garbage truck daily. 9. Rewrite the paragraph in passive voice. Active voice. Technology companies develop new software every year. They test these applications rigorously before releasing them to the public. Engineers design user-friendly interfaces to enhance customer experiences. Companies also train employees to use the latest tools and systems efficiently. 10. Fill in the blanks. Passive voice. Complete the sentences with the correct form of the verb in parentheses. 1. Personal data store, securely on cloud servers. 2. Software updates release, regularly to fix bugs. 3. Customer feedback analyze, to improve product performance. 4. Emails send, automatically by the system when the account is updated. 5. Online security protocols implement, to prevent cyber attacks. 11. Mixed transformations. Active to passive. 1. Programmers write code for mobile apps. 2. People share millions of videos on social media platforms daily. 3. IT teams monitor company networks for security threats. Passive to active. 4. The devices are inspected by quality control specialists. 5. Passwords are reset by users when they forget them. 6. Reports are generated by the system every evening. 12. Rewrite the paragraph in passive voice. Active voice. Teachers assign homework to students every day. They conduct exams to evaluate the students' understanding of the material. The school administration organizes parent-teacher meetings once a semester. Staff members maintain the school facilities to provide a safe and clean environment. 13. Fill in the blanks. Passive voice. Complete the sentences with the correct passive form of the verb in parentheses. 1. Attendance records check daily by the teachers. 2. Students divide into groups for class projects. 3. Important announcements make during the morning assembly. 4. Library books return to the shelves by the librarian. 5. Academic progress monitor regularly by the school administration. 14. Mixed transformations. Active to passive. 1. The principal announces the school's annual budget. 2. Students complete assignments before the deadline. 3. Teachers use multimedia tools to make lessons interesting. Passive to active. 4. Classroom rules are enforced by the teacher. 5. The school uniforms are designed by a local tailor. 6. The lunch menu is planned by the cafeteria staff. 15. Error correction. Passive voice. Identify and correct the mistakes in the following sentences. 1. The homework are given to the students every week. 2. The exams is conducted by the teachers in May. 3. School events is organized every semester by the students. 4. Academic progress are monitored by the administration. 5. Parent-teacher meetings is scheduled twice a year. Topic: Healthcare and medical contexts. 16. Rewrite the paragraph in passive voice. Active voice. Doctors treat patients with care and professionalism. Nurses assist doctors during medical procedures. The hospital staff cleans the wards and maintains hygiene standards. The pharmacy provides medicines to patients with prescriptions. Health organizations promote vaccination programs to prevent diseases. 17. Fill in the blanks. Complete the sentences with the correct passive form of the verb in parentheses. 1. Medical records update regularly by the staff. 2. New vaccines develop to combat emerging diseases. 3. Patients monitor closely in the intensive care unit. 4. Medicines dispense to outpatients at the pharmacy counter. 5. Awareness campaigns organize by health organizations every year. 18. Mixed transformations. Active to passive. 1. Doctors prescribe antibiotics for bacterial infections. 2. Health workers deliver essential care to rural areas. 3. Scientists study the effects of new treatments on patients. Passive to active. 4. Vaccination programs are implemented by health officials. 5. Hospital rooms are sanitized daily by the cleaning staff. 6. Critical cases are reviewed by the medical board weekly. 19. Error correction. Passive voice. Identify and correct the mistakes in the following sentences. 1. The medicines is prescribed by the doctor every day. 2. Vaccines are distributed to clinics around the country. 3. The patients is monitored regularly by the nurses. 4. Awareness posters are prepared by volunteers. 5. Medical equipment are maintained by the hospital staff. 20. Transform active questions into passive questions. Rewrite the following active questions in the passive voice. 1. Who checks the patient's vital signs every morning? 2. Does the pharmacist prepare the prescriptions on time? 3. What do doctors recommend for faster recovery? 4. Who conducts the training sessions for new nurses? 5. When does the hospital staff clean the operating rooms? 21. Fill in the blanks. Passive voice questions. Complete the sentences by forming the correct passive question. 1. What/be/ administer to the patients with severe symptoms? 2. When/be/ appointments/ scheduled for routine checkups? 3. Who/be/ sent updates about health alerts? 4. Where/be/records/stored, securely. 5. How/be/new equipment/used, in the hospital. 22. Transform passive questions into active questions. Rewrite the following passive questions in the active voice. 1. Who is treated by the specialists in the emergency room? 2. Are patients informed about the new hospital policies? 3. What is offered to visitors at the hospital reception? 4. When are vaccinations administered to children? 5. Is medical waste disposed of carefully by the staff? Thanks for watching.